love using this little guy to clean my car seats, and today I'm going to show you how I do that. This cleaner is pretty much ready to use out of the box, and it's really simple to figure out. So there are 2 tanks, and one of them, which is this one, is meant for all the dirty water to go into, and this one is for the cleaning solution and water that you're going to add into it. Bissell recommends only using their solution because if you use something else, it could possibly damage the machine. So I have a toddler, and pretty much every week I will use this machine to clean the car seats. I'm typically cleaning stuff like yogurt stains, juice, and milk, and it works really well and has kept my seats pretty clean. Another thing that I love about this cleaner is that it's really lightweight, so you can actually carry it in one hand and then clean at the same time. You can use this on a variety of surfaces like rugs, couches, car seats, but I recommend not using it on rugs that are high pile because it's just not as effective. Overall, I really love this machine for its price and would recommend it to anyone.